Hey guys, welcome back to another quick assist video. And in case you lose or your phone gets stolen, this is one thing you want to make sure to do. Now, if someone steals your phone, most likely what they will do is if the control setting is open, like most phones are, iPhones are, they're going to probably hit the airplane mode. And this will actually deactivate all tracking. No phone calls will be able to be made or anything in and out. And so you cannot use Find My. So in order to stop them from being able to just access your phone, even though they cannot open the phone, they can still go into this control section and turn on airplane mode. What we're going to want to do is turn off that feature. So let me go ahead and put in my password. Okay, so once we do that, we're going to want to simply go to settings. From settings, then we're going to want to go down and to Face ID and passcode. And I'm going to go ahead and put in my password again. And so once we get here, all we have to do is scroll down and then we'll see allow access when locked. So that's when you have your auto lock on. And then we're going to want to turn off control center. All right. You're also going to want to make sure that your wallet is off when it's in locked mode. But then you can also go through some of these other things. And so, for example, there is return missed calls, and I would leave that on just in case you lost the phone and then you're trying to call and then the person that finds it can call you back. But other than that, you want to kind of turn off the control center. That way they cannot go on airplane mode and turn it off. So I'm going to go ahead and show you guys now. So when I go ahead, now the phone is locked, but they can no longer go open control center, and then they cannot deactivate the phone by turning on airplane mode. All right, guys. So I hope this video helps. Please consider liking, subscribing. It really helps the channel. See you next time. Bye-bye.